In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wanna use in this view and launching it in the background. Like that. Don't worry, I tested it before recording on this and many other Samsung devices, and I can assure you it will work. So with this app opened like that, click on the icon of it available at the top. Then when you see this pop-up, select Open in Split Screen View. And then click on the second app you wanna use. I will go with Chrome. Finally, I can use both at the same time. Now to go back from this mode, you can either go back into background apps and swipe them, or you can hold those three dots in the middle and drag one all the way up or all the way down. To close the remaining one, just click on the Home button. But now I wanna show you my favorite part of split screen view. Not many people know that you can tap on the same three dots, and thanks to those two arrows, switch places of them, like that. And thanks to this star, you can tap on Add App Pair to Home Screen or App Edge Panel. This way, if you like this configuration of your apps in split screen view, you can save it on your home screen or in your Apps Edge panel. I will go with home screen. So I have to click here, close my apps completely and look for a new shortcut on my home screen. When you find it, click on it and enjoy using those two apps in split screen view right away. If you want to get rid of this shortcut, you can hold it and tap on remove. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!